Renowned actor and legendary figure of Indian cinema, Mr. Virender Saxena, recently visited the Lucknow Center of Evolved Hair Clinic to undergo a specialized hair transplant procedure. Despite having undergone 2 previous hair transplant surgeries elsewhere, Mr.
मैं वीरेंद्र
Saxena was
सक्सेना हूँ।
dissatisfied with the
मैं
results.
यहाँ इवॉल्व हेयर रिस्टोरेशन में आया हुआ हूँ। इससे पहले भी 2 बार मैंने अपने हेयर प्लांटेशन कराया था, एक बार FUE, एक बार FUT, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा खुश नहीं था। जब यहाँ आया तो मुझे पता लगा यहाँ एक डायरेक्ट टेक्निक है जिससे कि ये सब कुछ होता है और इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल।
A visible patch with sparse hair density on the left side of his scalp remained a concern, revealing the scalp prominently. Determined to address the issue, he chose Evolved Hair Clinic for a corrective procedure. The surgery was skillfully performed by the senior hair transplant surgeon under the supervision of the medical director. The expert team used the direct technique of hair transplant, a painless and highly effective method, to cover the low-density area with precision and natural results.
We did a case yesterday. The patient is Mr. Virender Saxena. I'm sure every one of you must have seen him in a lot of movies. So it was a very interesting case, and thankfully our medical director Dr. Dubey entrusted me with doing the entire surgery for him. It was a bit of a challenging case as well because Mr. Saxena has already got 2 surgeries done in the past. He has got one FUT surgery with a linear scar which is very apparent at the back of his head. Also he has gotten a FUE done, which made the donor area effectively very limited for us to extract hair follicles from. Another interesting aspect to the case was that he did not want to go for complete shave, and we had to do a zone shave wherein a thin strip of the scalp is shaved from the back of the head, and the implantation area where he wanted the transplantation to be done, he did not want even any shaving in that area. So after 2 surgeries he did have hairs on his head, but he did not specifically want his hairline lowered or densified. He had some merging issues in the left side of his scalp where the scalp was visible, and that exactly is the area he wanted hairs from. Another interesting aspect is yesterday he got his surgery done and today morning he resumed his work. He even shot a podcast with us today and he was absolutely okay with it, with no residual pain or discomfort following.
ये रियलाइज़ किया कि उनको बहुत ख्याल था कि मुझे कोई तकलीफ ना हो। हर बार वो पूछते थे आपको कोई तकलीफ, एनी पेन, एनीथिंग। मैं ही उनसे कहता था यार डराओ मत, कुछ नहीं हो रहा।
Following the procedure, Mr. Virender Saxena expressed great satisfaction with the outcome. He was particularly impressed by the professionalism, care, and pain-free experience at Evolved Hair Clinic.
यही मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको अच्छा काम कराना है तो आप इवॉल्व में आइए। मैं आपको एक बात का भरोसा दिला सकता हूँ, बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनसे आप हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराएंगे तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा और आपको कोई तकलीफ नहीं होगी।